Hello, hello, thanks for coming to my video. This is another order, big order from Coffee Monsters Co. Oh, whoever used my referral code or the referral link, thank you so much. It was so sweet of you. I'm so, I'm just really touched. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, this is the last of the Christmas, the anniversary order. Was it? Oh no, it's not. Oh, this is the Washi. The Washi pre-order. Okay, there we go. This is a Washi pre-order and they came with this bag. Wait, didn't come with bag. I bought the bag. They had a bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is awesome. Okay. So there are two pockets on this side and then one big pocket, and then I have like three kind of fountain pen loops that you can put probably one or even two fountain pens in each. Where's my Tombos? And in here you can put like your phone or something like that. There are two loops on either side for you to, I guess, put straps. And this side has a zippered pocket. That is awesome. That is awesome. Let's see. So the sticker sheets fit completely inside. I'll put it inside pockets. I think it's the same size. These two are the same size. Okay. Now, let's see. This. This fits very nicely, like this. Give me a second. Okay. I measured it. Oh, it fits both a B5 and an A5 journal inside. Oh, this is awesome. This is so, oh, I am so happy with this. I am so happy with this. Okay. Like, look. A Pelikan. Pair of tweezers. Extra stickers. Like, have these. I can just put these extra stickers in here. I can put this in here. I just need to get a strap, and then this is my like journaling bag that I can just take out to like a bubble tea place and just camp out at the bubble tea store and have a bubble tea and journal. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect. Look at this. This is the top. Cookie Monster's little tag. If I go on vacation, I could put like my passport in here. Oh my god, this is so perfect. Like when you go on the airplane, right? And then you just put your passport in here, and then your phone, and then whatever charging cables, and then you have your journaling stuff on the inside. This is the most amazing bag. So perfect. And thank you, Helen, for designing this. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's get this out because we're gonna do some washi swatches. I don't know why I never fill this out. No idea. Okay. Now, oh, my order was packed by Eula. Thanks, Eula. Yay. Okay. 2, 3. Awesome. Have these bean samplers. Daily life. I got 2 daily life. 2 planning and journaling. A down days for collection and a happy days for collection. Okay. Actually, I should swatch the other ones. Right? Oh, well. Oh, this is super cool. This one is a die cut. Look at this. So awesome. Wait, oh. I have a February and a oh, February 2023. This is because one time I ordered these stickers and then they didn't show up. So I just sent an email to the team, and then you have a choice whether you want it reimbursed, like they return the money, or they ship it out for you, or they just keep it to ship out for the next, you know, your next order, and then they would give you a little freebie. So that's the little freebie. Then this is the monthly freebie, the order freebie. There we are. So I have 2 bubbles for a shower, and then a car for driving, obviously. Okay, so this one is a die cut washi tape. Where does it repeat? It goes to here. Whoa. Ooh, let's try this, the new acrylic washi tape. Oh my gosh, the new acrylic ruler. See how this cuts quite nicely. Then let's see, let's save these two for last. Let's do this one next. Then we have this one. Let's see. We have this purple one. Let's see. This is also exercise. I think Helen really likes her emoji butts. All these bums. Maybe I should I do this one? Let's do this one first. Then we have this, I think it's called the autumn. Is it autumn days or autumn scenery? Oh, maybe autumn neighborhood. Well, I think this one's long. Let's see. This one, this one, this one. Oh, they're not as long as they used to be. Right? Yeah. There's that one. That one. Yeah. It's only doesn't fit all of them. have this raindrops. I'm not sure how long that should be, so I'll just keep that hanging. Okay, let's see how long this one is. Is that one? That one? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay. So this goes to like there. So keep that there. I feel like I should move this down. These two kind of match a little bit more. Okay, and the last one is this one. I think, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it over here. Then maybe try to cover that dot. Feels weird that it's not. There. It's not aligned. There. Very nice. Okay, so these are the washi tapes from the washi tape pre-order that I purchased in June. Wow. This is so spring. I love it. They all look so cute. Oopsies. This one, tiny one there. Oh, maybe I should put this over here. Yay! Maybe I should put this closer. Like that. That looks pretty cute. Whoop. There. Awesome. Okay, thanks for spending so much time with me. I hope you enjoyed watching the swatches and it wasn't too boring for you. If you did purchase, then let me know what you got in the comments below. Bye-bye.